Much has been reported on about the city's draft unlawful occupation bylaw. Some reports more accurate than the others. The city of Cape Town, as with other metros in South Africa, has seen a consistent instances of unlawful occupation. We have especially seen a spike since the start of COVID-19 national lockdown in March 2020 due to weaknesses in the Prevention of Illegal Eviction Act, or PI Act, limitations imposed by national lockdown regulations, and the SA Human Rights Commission's court interdict. Official assessment shows unlawful occupation have been primarily orchestrated by criminal syndicates or so-called shack farmers, exploiting those who were adversely impacted by COVID-19 and are often linked to violent protest and infrastructure damage. This cannot be allowed in a constitutional democracy where the rule of law is paramount. Apart from health and safety hazard associated with settling on land that is unsuitable for habitation, unlawful occupation hampers planned projects and programs. This results in disruption to basic services as settlements are situated on top of bulk services infrastructure and also impacts on the environmental health of waterways. Unlawful occupation is already illegal. The bylaw aims to enable the city to enhance its management of informality through the managed settlement program, and to prevent unlawful occupation of land and buildings, which has become a massive problem in Cape Town. The bylaw explicitly states the existing powers of law enforcement to protect land from illegal occupation, but does not grant new powers, nor does it provide for any sanctions other than what already exists in law. In fact, the bylaw is pioneering in that it emphasizes the fundamental rights of persons and imposes a duty on officers to intervene in situations where abuse of power is evident. The bylaw also supports the city's discretion to act on behalf of private landowners and other entities when unlawful occupation occurs, and it imposes certain necessary and reasonable obligations on landowners, both private and public. The city will always act to protect municipal land from illegal occupation attempts. We owe this to future generations of a growing city which will require land for schools, hospitals, transport, housing, community facilities, and more. Importantly, we also need to protect others from the health and safety risks of settling in areas that are not suitable for habitation. I thank you.